Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. Today I'm going to be trying out the Mascara 101 from the brand Saie, which is a brand that I have not tried out too many products from, but you can get it at Sephora and it's a clean and, what do they call it, planet friendly? Yeah, clean and planet positive at Sephora brand. So this is Thick, Bold, Lifted Lashes, and it's a 100% naturally derived mascara, which sounds really interesting to me. It has pretty high ratings on the Sephora website, and it retails for $24. I love that it has nourishing ingredients in it, and it's cruelty-free. So all of the information I'm seeing on this has me very excited, but let's hope that it actually works really well and looks good on the lashes. Here is what the packaging looks like. Pretty simple. Let's see what this wand looks like. Oh, I like this wand. It's like this spiky silicone bristles. It's pretty small and short, which I think is good because then hopefully it's going to be less messy all over my lid. And it has these interesting spikes at the end. I'm trying to remove any excess mascara because it's cool that there's like vertical spikes on the end too, so you can get into those little lashes. So here you can see what that wand looks like. Okay, I'm going to start out by applying it to one of my eyes. Probably going to need to layer it up, but this way we can see the difference and the impact. It is a nice wand though, first impression. It gets every lash, keeps them relatively separated right now. I am seeing hints that this is going to make the lashes stick together though, if I layer it up very much. But no clumping, a very smooth formula. For that first layer, that's actually pretty good. It does give some good volume, length, some slight lifting, but not very much. I have such straight lashes. Let's try it on the lower lashes though. Oh, love this wand for the lower lashes. It so easily coats every lash. Yeah, I like this as a lower lash mascara because it'll show the full length of my lower lashes, but no clumping and not messy. Wow, that's looking pretty good for just that quick coat. Let's see how buildable it is. See, like getting these outer corner lashes is so much easier with those bristles on top. I love this wand design. And this is kind of buildable, but it really is starting to make the lashes stick together. And I'm trying to use the top of the wand to separate them, but that's kind of a bummer to see that I can't layer it up too much and get as much volume as I typically like to get, which is a lot, because then the lashes will stick together. But if I can work through them and try and get myself to stop applying it, they'll stay separated. It's also not the darkest black color for a mascara, but that is okay. But I do find it to be lengthening because it's sticking really nicely from root to tip. And it does give the lashes a little bit more curl. So I feel like it's living up to its claims in maybe a slightly more natural look than the kind of falsies effect that I like to get from my mascaras, but this really does look nice and enhancing to the lashes and looks pretty on the eyes. I did get the tiniest bit of mascara in that inner corner, before I try and remove that, I should let it dry, but that's the difficult part with the bristles at the very top. When I get the inner corner, then it kind of gets on the lid. But it's interesting, I can also feel how it has dried down, but it takes a little while for it to dry down, so you have enough time to work with it. So I know it looks like I have no lashes on my other eye, but look at that difference. This really is a nice mascara. That's just what it seems to be, a nice mascara. Not a mind-blowing, amazing mascara, but it's nice. It's pretty easy to apply since you really only need those 2 coats, and I don't know, I still am somehow managing to get mascara on my eyelid, but it's not terrible. It's a relatively easy wand to use, but that inner corner, I just keep hitting that area of the eyelid, probably with those top bristles. Ugh. And that's such a hard area to remove. I have to use like a Q-tip or something. I think my favorite aspect of this mascara is that it's really lengthening. Not the most volumizing, not the most curling, but it really does emphasize the length of the lashes with how well it sticks on to the entire lash, root to tip. And I really like it as a lower lash mascara because I don't try and make my lower lashes too volumized. I just want them to be coated and visible. So this is good for that. So here's my finished mascara. Well, a little bit left on the eyelid, but finished on the lashes at least. And what do we think? It's nice. It's a good enough mascara that I can continue using it, but it's not so amazing that I would repurchase it, especially for $24. Like, it's a good mascara to get in Ipsy, but not the best mascara I've ever used. But I love that it doesn't clump, that it has nourishing ingredients for my lashes, and that it's lengthening. So I like how my lashes look, but they look kind of natural, which is personal preference. Some people definitely prefer more of these natural looking types of mascaras, but I like more of like a falsy lash type of mascara. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.